Well, my friend, I was influenced. And no, I wasn't influenced by another influencer. I was actually influenced by one of my one-on-one coaching clients and Patreon members to get the product that is in this bag. It has been a hot minute since I have done anything remotely like an unboxing video, but I thought that this would be a fun product to kind of unbox and get first impressions, legitimate first impressions on plugging it in and trying it out. So let's open it, I'll show you what it is, and then I will explain why I bought it. Ladies and gentlemen, I got myself a happy light. Yes, this is literally, from what I understand, based on what my client has told me, this thing has some pretty awesome reviews. I got it on Amazon, and the reason I bought it now instead of when I got home, because now we gotta pack the thing, is because there was actually a coupon online on Amazon for like 10% off, which was not nothing. So I was like, you know what? Let's get it, let's try it, let's see. But what this is, it's literally, it looks like, and we'll open it up and see for sure, but it kind of looks like an iPad, but its job is to emit energy-giving light. So I am somebody who personally suffers from seasonal affective disorder, and we are headed back up to where? The Minnesota winter. So I thought this was the perfectly appropriate time to give this a try. Based on what the box says, we have choose between warm light and daylight light, and there's all sorts of different like brightness settings. So let's unbox this LED light therapy lamp and see exactly what we think. Hopefully this is easy to open, because if y'all know me, I decimate packages when I open them. Da-da-da. So the version that I got is the Happy Light Luxe model. This retails for $69.99. Be the happy light in your life. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Okay. So we have like the little package of information here. It comes in this real sturdy cardboard, and this is the actual device. An iPad is actually a really good descriptor of what this is like. So here's what it looks like. This could literally probably fit in my laptop bag. Not joking. It has this little stand on the back here, which obviously needs to, oh, I see. Okay. It's pretty intuitive, right? So we clip it up. There we go. I slid it up. It's probably easier to do than what my hands make it out to be. And then the only thing left in here is the plug, which we'll use in a second. So you take the stand that stores on the back here, which is really great for being able to pack it up. That's actually a really cool feature, and you won't lose the stand, which is great. But it also has a little hook here, so if you really wanted to like hook it on the wall, you could do that too. Pretty darn cool. How the heck does this attach? Does it attach? Is it a stand? Oh, here we go. That was very easy. This is very easy. So there we go. This is what it looks like. Without reading any instructions, let's plug it in and give it a go. Untwist the twisty. So many twists. There we go. Where does this thing plug in? The bottom would not be an intuitive place for it. Where does this thing plug in? All right, y'all, I can figure out how to put it together, but I can't figure out where the power device goes. Come on. Seriously, where does the power go? There. Oh, the power is underneath the little hooky place thing. Yes, technical terms. It's right here. Right here. There. Okay, we got it now. Are you ready? I don't know which one of these is the power button. Oh, wait. I did. Oh! Well, look at that. It's literally just like staring at, well, don't stare at it, but its job is to emit the energy-giving light, right? I have said, whoop. Okay, we'll start there then. So this button all the way on the right that looks like a rainbow is the 4 brightness settings. So that low setting that made me go, oh look, it's on, was actually the lowest settings. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4. Interesting, okay. Oh, and turning it off. I keep thinking that like the 5th time, once you hit the brightest, it's gonna turn off. That's not how it works. Look at the different shades. And I know you can't really see that. Do you see the lighting changes? Cool light, medium warm, warm light. This is like yellow light, like when you turn on evening time mode on your iPhone or on your Kindle or something. Wow, look at that. And then it has a timer feature, which I'd have to read the instructions to understand what the timer feature even is. But look at this, it's so cool. So you can do like super heavenly bright light and oh, that's really bright, wow. But supposedly, let's go ahead and turn this off so the lighting can get back to normal again. But supposedly, the way that this thing works is you use it as daily, preferably in the morning, light therapy. I have said time and time again throughout my life that my battery is the sun. I thrive in summertime. I have a lot harder time in wintertime. When daylight savings time ends and the sun goes down at 4:30 in the afternoon, I really, truly struggle to be able to find that energy to continue on with my day. I function with the cycle of the sun, which arguably is actually pretty healthy because that's kind of how we all functioned before electricity was a thing. But in our day and age, obviously electricity is a thing and we have plenty of artificial light. So it is, while it is no longer an excuse to be like, oh, the sun is down, therefore I'm done working or whatever it is that you do when the sun goes down, we keep going, right? We continue to move and do the things until the wee hours of the evening. The health benefits of slowing down when the sun goes down is a different video for a different day. Today we are talking about this thing. So what you are supposed to do, let's actually see if this thing gives us instructions. Quick start guide. Oh look, it told me how to do all of those things that I figured out on my own. So on the timer button, like it lights up in sections. One little section is 5 minutes, 2 sections is 10 minutes, 3 sections is 15-minute timer. See the manual for more information about customizing, pausing, and stopping the timer. Great. Before you begin using the Happy Light Therapy Lamp, please take the device pre-test. There's actually a pre-test? Well, isn't that interesting? Before you begin using your Happy Light Therapy Lamp, please take the device pre-test on page 9. Here's page 9. What pre-test? Here's the information on the buttons. So the one that changes the color, the Happy Hue color selector. Use the left control to choose between 3 different hues of white light for your comfort. Each time you touch the control, it will rotate to a different color of white light. Your brightness, which is the one on the right, touch the right control to choose between 4 different brightness levels and to find the level that is comfortable to you. You can start with a lower setting and work your way up to the full 10,000 lux over multiple sessions. Increasing the brightness will deliver your daily dose of healthy light more quickly, which results in shorter light therapy sessions. And a timer. For your convenience, the timer helps you keep track of the length of your light therapy experience. You can set the timer while you engage in other activities, e.g. reading a book or emails. And your light will turn off on its own once the therapy session is complete. And it tells you how to use everything. Here's the positioning. And so this is what I wanted to make sure that you knew, was the positioning of the light. Sit close to your Happy Light Therapy Lamp with your eyes open. So don't like be like, oh, I'm gonna get therapy light and then close your eyes. That's not how this works. You need to be exposing your eyes and your brain to the light that it's emitting. While staying oriented toward the light, feel free to engage in other activities such as reading, writing, hobbies and crafts, sewing, needlepoint, applying makeup. Hey, you could use this as an extra light. That's not a bad idea, actually. Or working at your computer or desk. The lamp could be positioned as close as 6 inches. That's really close. But within 24 inches of your face. It is most effective when it is positioned slightly off center. See the diagram. See the diagram. Do not look directly into the lamp. The light from the lamp must be directed at your eyes. Therefore, your eyes must be open to get the full benefit. So if I had my laptop sitting here, if I had my journal sitting here, I could, we're gonna mess up the light again. Here we go. Ready? Boop. Oh. I could sit here. Oh, there we go. I turned the brightness down a little bit. Sit here and do my journaling while I am getting the light in my eyes. So I'm not looking directly at it, but the light is streaming at me. So in theory, some of the benefits of this is supposed to be better sleep, better mood, and of course more energy. So I'm like, is it a complete and total hoax? I have absolutely no idea. My client swears by this, so much so that she was really bummed when hers broke and she ordered new parts to get it replaced and to like fix it and do all those things, and she swears by it, especially in the wintertime. So I will let y'all know. I'm going to start using this, and especially once I get back to Minnesota next week, it will be really interesting to see whether or not this product helps me get through that transition back into winter and the cold and all of the dread and that kind of brings me. I'm wondering if this will help. If I integrate this into my day every single morning, and then maybe it also said you can use it for like a quick 15-minute boost in the early afternoon. You don't want to do it too late because it's going to mess up your brain's light receptors and circadian rhythm and thus your melatonin production. So you don't want to do that. But if this works, especially for somebody who is a self-proclaimed the sun is my battery type of human being, this could be a game changer. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to stay tuned and see what my results are after trying this out for a couple of weeks, because that video will be coming soon. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever used a product like the Happy Light? Let me know in the comments below what your experience has been with this product or something similar. If you are interested in this product, this is not sponsored, by the way. I bought this with my own money. I found it on Amazon. I will have the Amazon link down below for you. Fingers crossed for you that that coupon for, I think it was $7 off, is still available, because that's 10% off the price, which is not nothing. So I will have that link down below for you if you are interested in checking it out at all. Like I said, I got the Happy Light Luxe, but if you go on the Verilux website, there's actually quite a few options, including like full standing lamps, little traveler sized ones. So the possibilities are endless, but this is the one that I opted to get. We will see how it goes. I look forward to sharing more with you. And until next time, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.